Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, December 6, 2024, me and Mark family came to visit Sonia's godmother. She was a wonderful lady. She living nearby Guimba, about 5 kilometers away from the main town. The location was very beautiful. For me also, I don't like to live in the cities. I want to live in the province, which is close to the nature. In the future, I will build my house similar to this kind of location, but it's going to be a second floor with a balcony so I can enjoy the nature much better. Nearby her house, there is a watermelon wholesales going on over there. These vendors are very kind. When we pass by them, they gave us a free watermelon. They are very cool. Look at the sunset. It was very beautiful, golden color. I really enjoyed my evening in that place. She was very kind and she treated us very well. In the future, I will build a house same like this but with a swimming pool. Seriously, this place very beautiful and quiet, little bit windy. After that, we went to Sonia's mother house. We had a dinner over there. After we had a dinner, on the way back, we made a stop on the Guimba Bypass food hub. This place looks like a carnival. It was beautiful. The lighting was amazing. Looks beautiful in the night time. I highly recommend for everyone, go with your family and get this kind of beautiful experience. Shy, enjoy this place very much. In this place, you can have a local delicacy at the same time, French fries, burgers, chicken wings, everything available. Here, you can order all kind of drinks with the shakes. At the same time, desserts and cookies available. The food was very good in this place. I highly recommend it. We order cheese chicken wing with fries, barbecue spicy chicken wing with fries. Since we came late, I couldn't go every place nearby over there. Even this place have a miniature theater. Your kids going to be enjoy double the portion with the food and the movie together. After that, I tried to take some drone shot in the night time. It is approximately 1 kilometer away from the main town, so I highly recommend for your personal transport to this place. The place was very huge. I highly recommend everyone to go over there, get your experience. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Almost like 9 o'clock, everyone closing over here. Some shop open until 10 o'clock. This is Guimba Midtown Municipal Park. Even though right now 9:30 p.m. in the evening, there is a lot of kids are having fun over here. Even though it is very late night, this park very alive. From the sky view, it looks so beautiful. I met a lot of children over there. They are very friendly and supportive. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video soon.